FFBL, Fauji Fertilizer bin Qasim Limited. 1. FFBL closing price 35 Pakistani rupees and 62 paise. 2. FFBL volume 3,51,68,028. High trading volume indicates strong interest. 3. FFBL ADX 34.93 shows strong trend strength. The price direction is well established. 4. FFBL RSI 77.50. This is in the overbought territory, which suggests a potential pullback or price consolidation might occur soon. 5. FFBL last RSI 73.35 continues to be high, confirming strong buying pressure. 6. FFBL AO 4.58 positive momentum indicates ongoing buying interest. 7. FFBL percent change D 5.45%, significant recent upward price movement. 8. FFBL support 22 Pakistani rupees and 88 paise. 9. FFBL resistance 30 Pakistani rupees and 47 paise. AI recommendation: with the stock in the overbought zone and a strong recent price increase, consider securing profits or setting tight stop-loss orders. The likelihood of a price correction increases as the stock approaches its resistance level. Bahal, Bank Al Habib Limited. 1. Bahal closing price 95 Pakistani rupees and 14 paise. 2. Bahal volume 4,11,055. Relatively low volume could indicate less trading interest. 3. Bahal ADX 31.20. Moderate to strong trend strength, indicating that the price direction is somewhat established. 4. Bahal RSI 69.56. Approaching overbought conditions, suggesting caution. 5. Bahal last RSI 75.52, previously in the overbought territory, which might signal an upcoming pullback. 6. Bahal AO 6.71 shows strong positive momentum. 7. Bahal percent change D -1.51% indicates a recent decline in price, which might suggest the start of a pullback. 8. Bahal support 77 Pakistani rupees and 6 paise. 9. Bahal resistance 90 Pakistani rupees and 81 paise. AI recommendation: the recent price drop and high RSI levels suggest it might be prudent to wait for clearer signs of stabilization or an upward trend resumption before making further investments. NAT, National Foods Limited. 1. NAT closing price 182 Pakistani rupees and 38 paise. 2. NAT volume 2,73,818. Modest trading volume suggests moderate market interest. 3. NAT ADX 17.60. Weak trend strength, indicating that the price direction lacks clear momentum. 4. NAT RSI 79.22. Deep into the overbought territory, suggesting potential for a reversal. 5. NAT last RSI 71.85, also high, supporting the overbought condition. 6. NAT FAO 6.69 indicates growing buying momentum. 7. NAT percent change D 5.35%, substantial recent upward price movement. 8. NAT support 147 Pakistani rupees and 96 paise. 9. NAT resistance 171 Pakistani rupees and 51 paise. AI recommendation: given the overbought RSI and recent sharp price increase, consider taking profits or setting stop losses to protect gains. The low ADX suggests that the trend might not be strongly supported, increasing the risk of a downturn.